You don't really notice at first. That low hum, the constant road noise, the way your van rattles like a tin box every time you hit the motorway. But over time, it wears on you. That's not just noise. It's stress. It's distraction. It's the sound of your ride not living up to its full potential. But what if there was a simple way to shut all that out and take your vehicle from chaos to calm? Enter PeaceMAT XR, the flagship sound deadening solution from Car Insulation UK. Built with a high-intensity butyl rubber base and an aluminum foil facing, this isn't just another pad. This is real engineering designed to destroy unwanted sound at the source. Think of it like this. Every time your door slams, your wheel wells shake, or your floor pan hums, it's not just annoying. It's your car telling you it needs help. PeaceMAT XR absorbs vibration, reduces resonance, and locks down noise. You go from chunky to quiet instantly. Installation? Dead simple. No special tools, no fancy training. You cut it, you peel it, you stick it. Done. This is made for DIY warriors and garage pros alike. PeaceMAT XR isn't just for cars. You got a camper van. Perfect. Classic restoration? Even better. Sound system upgrade? This is your foundation. Bolts, 4x4s, track builds, it handles it all. So you let us know when you're ready to ride in silence. Visit carinsulation.co.uk and check out PeaceMAT XR today. Make your car feel brand new again. Inside and out. PeaceMAT XR. Silence starts here. Visit carinsulation.co.uk today